Hey everyone, Dan this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset a website to start over on Wix. So there are two options to reset the website. The first one is go to settings. In the settings, under the site domain and SEO section, click on website settings and then scroll down to the bottom. You'll see the site history. You can click here on restore versions, and the another way is to click on design site, and then in the site opens, you just reset the website from there. For example, this is my current running site. On the left top corner, there's an option named site. I'll click on it and then I'll go to site history, and then you'll see the option of going to site history. Just click on it. After going, you'll see all the sites that you have restored or you have worked on. So just click on this arrow. Just make sure you have published your website, or else this option will not show. Actually, I have not published my website, that's why it's not showing me to restore. But if you have published, it will show to restore. So click on this arrow button and then a restore button will appear. Just click on that restore button and your website will get restored. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.